My name is Dr. Masha, and let me hit you with something powerful right from the start. What if I told you there's a specific spot on your body that, when massaged for just 60 seconds, can unlock better blood flow, ease stubborn tension, and, yes, even help with those frustrating performance issues that sneak up on so many men after 50? Sounds almost too simple, right? But stay with me, because this might be the most important health tip you've heard in years. But first, please like the video. The more people like it, the more YouTube will distribute it to people who don't have access to doctors or hospitals. Also, please share the video with your friends and family. Many lives can be saved with your help, so share it. Now, before you roll your eyes thinking this is some far-out alternative medicine trick, hear me out. This isn't hype. This technique has been used in traditional medicine for centuries, and now modern science is finally catching up to explain why it works. I'll show you exactly where this spot is, how to massage it the right way, which oils make it most effective, and why this simple daily practice could be the missing piece in your health routine. No expensive gadgets, no awkward office visits, just something you can do in the comfort of your own home that truly makes a difference. Let's be real and address the elephant in the room. After 50, the body changes, especially down there. Blood flow slows down, sensitivity fades, and what used to be effortless now takes more effort, or worse, doesn't happen at all. Most men shrug and accept it as just aging. Maybe grab a pill and hope it works. But here's what's actually happening inside your body. Your pelvic floor muscles, the ones in charge of everything from urination to erections, become weak and tight at the same time. Sounds contradictory, right? It's like a rubber band that's been stretched too long. It's tight, but the snap is gone. Blood vessels in the region lose flexibility, circulation gets sluggish, and nerves carrying pleasure signals get compressed by years of stress, sitting, and poor posture. It creates the perfect storm. And because men rarely talk about this stuff, most don't even know there's a simple solution. The truth is, the medical world is beginning to recognize what Eastern medicine has always known, that targeted massage and pressure point therapy can transform pelvic health and circulation. Physical therapists now recommend these techniques for pelvic floor dysfunction. Urologists suggest them for prostate health, but hardly anyone is openly talking about how this same approach can dramatically help with potency and performance. The spot I'm talking about is called the perineum, or what traditional Chinese medicine calls the $1 million point. It's located between your scrotum and anus, right in the middle. I know, not the easiest place to bring up at the dinner table, but this spot is absolutely crucial for male health. Here's why. This small zone is like Grand Central Station for your reproductive system. Major blood vessels supplying the penis, vital nerves controlling erection and sensation, the very root of the penis, and connections to the prostate, all meet here. When you massage this area, you're impacting all of those systems at once. Think of it like unclogging a traffic jam at a busy intersection. Over time, cars back up in every direction. Nothing moves. Massaging this point is like sending in a traffic cop. Suddenly blood flows, nerves are freed, muscles relax, and systems that felt broken start firing again. Finding this spot is easier than you think. Sit on the edge of a chair, or lie down with your knees bent. Use your index and middle fingers to press gently in the area between your scrotum and anus. You're looking for a slightly soft, indented point, about halfway between the two. If it feels tender or sensitive, you've found the right place. Now, here's the simple technique. With moderate pressure, about the same you'd use to check if a tomato is ripe, make small circular motions, clockwise for 30 seconds, then counterclockwise for 30 seconds. That's it. Just 1 minute. You're not digging deep. This isn't a sports massage. It's about steady, gentle pressure to boost circulation and release tension. Some men prefer a gentle up and down motion instead of circles, like lightly bouncing with your fingers. Others like a press and release approach, holding for 5 seconds, releasing for 5. Try different patterns to see what feels most effective for you. The key is consistency and paying attention to your body's feedback. If you feel sharp pain, you're pressing too hard. If you feel nothing, adjust your pressure or placement. It usually takes a few tries, so don't get discouraged if it feels a bit awkward at first. Remember, this is an area most men have ignored their entire lives. While you can do this massage, dry using the right oil makes it far more effective and comfortable. And the oil isn't just for lubrication. Certain oils actually boost circulation, ease inflammation, and even support hormone balance. Castor oil is my #1 recommendation. Why? Because castor oil has this rare ability to penetrate deep into tissues, far deeper than most oils. It's been trusted for centuries to improve circulation and calm inflammation. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil is a strong anti-inflammatory and circulation booster. When you massage the perineum with it, you get a double benefit. Mechanical, stimulation from your fingers, plus the oil's natural healing effects. Here's how to use it. Warm a teaspoon of castor oil between your hands first. Cold oil on sensitive areas? Definitely not pleasant. Warming it also helps it absorb and makes the massage soothing. Many men feel a gentle warmth after applying castor oil. That's increased blood flow at work. Coconut oil is another excellent option, especially if you've got sensitive skin. It's naturally antibacterial, absorbs quickly, and doesn't leave you greasy. Virgin coconut oil also supports hormone production and reduces inflammation. Plus, let's be honest, it smells a lot better than castor oil, which can be a bit medicinal. Black seed oil is another hidden gem. Packed with thymoquinone, it's been shown to improve blood flow and support testosterone. It's been a staple in Middle Eastern medicine for thousands of years for male vitality. The downside? It costs more and can be harder to find, but many men swear by it. If you want to get creative, you can blend oils. Mix equal parts castor and coconut oil, then add just a few drops of essential oils. Peppermint increases circulation and adds a cooling zing that many find invigorating. Rosemary is another powerful circulation booster. Sandalwood has a long history in men's reproductive health. Just remember, essential oils are potent. Stick to 3 to 4 drops per ounce of carrier oil, not more. Let me break down what's really happening when you do this massage, because understanding the why makes it easier to stay consistent. When you press on the perineum, several powerful things occur at once. First, you mechanically improve blood flow. That gentle pressure and release works like a pump, flushing out stagnant blood and pulling in fresh, oxygen-rich blood. This area naturally struggles with circulation from years of sitting and gravity. So this little boost makes a big difference. Fresh blood delivers nutrients and clears out waste that's been piling up. Second, you're waking up the nerves that run directly to the erectile tissue. Over time, these nerves can get compressed or dulled. Gentle massage decompresses them and restores their sensitivity. It's like cleaning the dust off an old radio dial. Suddenly, the signal comes through loud and clear again. Third, you're indirectly helping the prostate. The prostate sits right above this area, and improved circulation here benefits the prostate without any invasive stimulation. A healthier prostate means better sexual function, hormone support, and fewer bathroom trips. Fourth, you're releasing deep pelvic floor tension. These muscles are like any other. They can get knots and trigger points that block function. Releasing them improves erections, orgasm intensity, and bladder control. On top of that, this massage activates your parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and digest side, which lowers stress hormones like cortisol. Many men describe feeling calmer and more centered after just a few minutes, and that makes sense neurologically. Timing matters more than most guys realize. The best moments are either first thing in the morning or right before bed. Morning massage takes advantage of higher testosterone and can boost your energy for the day. Evening massage helps with relaxation and promotes stronger nighttime and morning erections. For the first week, aim for every other day. It gives those sensitive tissues time to adapt. After that, daily 1 to 2 minute sessions are ideal. Some men like to do it twice a day, morning and evening, but once is plenty for most. Remember, it's about consistency, not marathon sessions. 1 minute daily beats 10 minutes once a week. Think of it like exercise. You wouldn't expect to get fit from one hard workout. You train regularly. If you're planning intimacy, Try the massage 2 to 3 hours before. That primes your system without overstimulating. Some men say doing it right before intimacy is distracting, so experiment with timing. During stressful times or if problems flare up, you can do it twice daily. But if you ever feel soreness or irritation, back off to every other day. This isn't a more is better practice. It's about balance. The most common mistake is being too aggressive. This isn't a deep tissue shoulder rub. You're working with delicate tissue and sensitive nerves. If you're sore the next day, you press too hard. If you feel bruised, ease up. The right touch should feel firm but comfortable. Maybe slightly tender but never painful. Another mistake is quitting too soon. Some men try for 3 days, don't see fireworks, and give up. But this works cumulatively, just like the gym. You don't build muscle after one session. Most notice improvements within 1 to 2 weeks, with bigger changes after a month of steady practice. Using the wrong oil or no oil at all is another issue. Dry massage can cause irritation and misses out on the extra benefits of good oils. On the other hand, random lotions or petroleum jelly can clog pores and cause problems. Stick with natural oils that absorb well. Positioning matters too. If you're straining or cramping your hand, you won't stick with it. Find a posture that's easy. Lying with knees bent, standing with one foot on a stool, or sitting on the bed's edge. Some men even try it through clothing, but that's far less effective. You need skin to skin for proper contact and oil absorption. Yes, it feels awkward at first, but the results are worth the initial discomfort, and the benefits go way beyond just sexual performance. Men who commit to this routine often report better bladder control, less dribbling, and fewer nighttime bathroom trips. Chronic pelvic pain, back pain, even hip stiffness often improve. The pelvic floor is connected to all these areas, so when you release tension there, everything feels better. One man told me his 5-year hip pain vanished in 3 weeks. His physical therapist was stunned. Hemorrhoid symptoms can ease. Athletes like runners and cyclists notice stronger core performance, less fatigue, and faster recovery. Mental clarity and mood often lift too. There's something deeply healing about taking care of this ignored part of the body. It boosts circulation, reduces stress, and creates a sense of control over your health. Breathing makes it even more powerful. Try deep breathing while massaging. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4, exhale for 4. This amplifies the relaxation response. Some men also visualize warmth and blood flow to the area. It sounds simple, but the mind-body connection is real. Hot and cold therapy can add extra impact. Place a warm compress on the perineum for 5 minutes before massage to relax tissues and help oil absorb. Some adventurous men use a cold washcloth after for contrast, which boosts circulation even further. Stretching the hips and inner thighs before or after massage also helps. Tight hip flexors tug on the pelvic floor, making things worse. Simple stretches like butterfly pose or happy baby can free things up. And don't forget hydration. Good circulation depends on it. Aim for half your body weight in ounces daily, more if you're active or live in a hot climate. The secret to making this stick long-term is weaving it naturally into your routine. Link it to daily habits, after your shower, before brushing teeth, or at bedtime. Keep your oil in sight, on the nightstand or in the bathroom so you don't forget. Out of sight really is out of mind. Track your progress, at least in the beginning. Use your phone notes or a small journal. Rate your energy, function, or mood daily on a scale of 1 to 10. After a month, look back. Seeing your progress will motivate you to keep going. And don't sweat perfection. If you miss a day, don't double up the next. Just get back on track. Even 3 or 4 times a week helps, though daily is ideal. Think of this as preventive maintenance. Even if everything seems fine now, this 1-minute habit can preserve function as you age. It's far easier to maintain health than to rebuild it after it's gone. So here's the choice. You can accept decline as inevitable, rely on pills with side effects, and hope for the best. Or you can spend a single minute a day on a simple, natural technique that restores circulation, relaxes tension, and supports your body's natural function. This isn't about chasing miracles. It's about maintenance. We change the oil in our cars. We clean our gutters. We service our appliances. Why wouldn't we maintain the very parts of our bodies that bring pleasure, intimacy, and confidence? The investment is tiny. 1 minute a day, a few dollars for quality oil, and the willingness to try. The return? Improved function, better health, and the confidence that comes with taking control of your well-being. So here's my challenge. Try it for 30 days. Every morning or evening, 1 minute of gentle massage with good oil. Pay attention to your body. Most men are shocked not only by the boost in sexual health, but by the overall vitality and peace of mind that come from tending to this long-neglected area. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most powerful. This ancient technique, now explained by modern science, could be the missing piece in your health puzzle. If this message helps you, share it with someone who needs it. These conversations matter. Subscribe for more practical health advice that goes beyond the same old eat better and exercise tips. And if you try this, share your story. You never know whose life you'll inspire. Your best years aren't behind you. With the right knowledge and a little daily practice, you can stay strong, vital, and deeply connected well into your later years.